Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again you are welcome to Resolve for you. In today's tutorial we will learn about ShareX, how to use ShareX, how to take a screen record, how we can record various type of screen in various size, and how we can take a screenshot. We have divided this tutorial in various 4 and 5 classes dear friend. This you will find in this class screen record, how to record and take a screenshot and annotate a screenshot. You can write in on the screenshot, and you can blur, you can pixelate. This is actually the versatile software ShareX, and we will know how to use in every aspect. And there will be more classes about ShareX. This is a very complicated versatile software, totally free and open source software dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe that channel dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into Resolve for you. Hello dear friend, in this tutorial about ShareX we will learn how to download it and install. After installing, how we can work here. For downloading we have to come here on our any Google any web page and write here ShareX. This is the one of the best screen recorder and screenshot software. ShareX download, we will write here anything you can write here, and you will find the first. You see, first you only click here. This is actually the official website of ShareX. Will come here. This is the one of the best screen recorder, open source recorder. You can come here any, you see here, this is the home. Here home, you can download, you can come here on site. Here you can donate from here, because this is the one of the best software. I every day use this software for our screen. So if I want to record some part of my screen and I want to take a screenshot, and sometime I work in OBS Studio, but these are my two favorite, ShareX and OBS Studio, and both are free, totally free and best software. If you use every day, you can donate from here. Actually, you can GitHub sponsor, Patreon, Bitcoin. And now we come here. Home page, you can read about this and believe. I will just come here and I want to download here. I will click here for download. You see setup file in Microsoft, you can download, and the version, there are some version here. There are new release, you can latest version is here. You see, you can download the outdated version. There are several version, but this latest, it has been just you see 5th September 2024 it has been released. I will click here, and you can download from here. This is ShareX setups, a portable zip file. You can download zip file, and from here this is a setup file. You see, we have started downloading here. Once it is downloaded, and we will learn how to use this software, and we will take in this class we will take a screenshot, we will record a screen, and in the second class we will learn about how to take annotate, take a screenshot, and it's one of the best software. I have ever gone through this OBS Studio and ShareX. These are the two software the creator can use freely without any charge, free of cost, dear friends. Now it's once it's downloaded, we come here, you see, and you can directly run, because I have already ShareX is installed. We can actually update here. Yes, it will be just updated. Please close all instance. Now I will close, because I have, for demo purposes I am showing you, I am using, you see here. Now I will okay click. You see, setup has detected the ShareX is running. Please close all of it now, and then click OK. Okay, dear friends, so we have now installed ShareX here. You see, our ShareX is here. This is a website. Here it's a ShareX. Now we will learn how we can record a screen. In the second tutorial, you can find how we can assign actually this about the path, because once you have downloaded ShareX, you need to come here. You see, application settings here, and task setting. You have to come here, task setting, and here you will find screen recorder. Here in the tutorial about how to actually assign the path, you have to assign FFmpeg. I will actually put that in the screen or in the description box. You can go there and you can find out this ShareX FFmpeg. How can you can this software FFmpeg, you can assign the path here. Once this is okay, because I have already done and I have already setting is here, and once you will assign the path here from FFmpeg, because I have already it's assigned, and you come here, you have to, I want to record full screen, that's why I will record this. If you want to record webcam, you can take here from this webcam. If I have webcam, no, I will record this only on screen. I will come here, and no, I have a mic. From here you can set mic. I have already set Blue Yeti mic, because this mic I am using now, and from here you can use various type of format. MP3 is the popular format, everywhere it is supported. I use MP3, and here you can encode media encoder. It's good that it supports media encoder, because the quality will be the best. If you have graphic card, I have NVIDIA graphic card, I have assigned this H264 NAVEC, and you can take other like this also, it's also supported. From here, once you have only clear, if you here you can quality, you can control Actually, this is good that you can quality, you can control fastest and lowest quality, medium quality. I want good quality. It will be slow, but quality will be good here. So I will click here, good quality I need. It's a low latency. We will use low latency. Inside ShareX, there are some control for these are the one of the best which we need for our quality control. We can one we have set everything, it's okay. Now we will close this, and you see this is a shortcut for our screen recording. Here you see this is our shortcut here, and we will use this shortcut shift plus a print screen. Here you see for a start recording and a stop recording. In ShareX, it's best that you can record any part which you want from here. So I will start now. Once it's everything is okay, we will just close here. Once it's okay everything, we will just close here. We will just shift, we will click shift and print screen on our screen. You see I have already this icon. We can actually select from here whatever I want. We can take the full screen, we can take the half screen from here, and we will take here, for example, I want only this to record. I want this part only I want to record. Once it's okay, you see now it will start. It will wait some second. You can assign this time there in the setting, and now it has started recording. You see OBS Studio here, Samsung Magician. I am trying this ShareX screen recorder, one of the best open source free screen recorder you can use. It's a versatile software. There are lots of things you can do inside ShareX, dear friend. Here you see pause. You can pause from here. If you don't want abort, it will be deleted. Once resume, pause if you want to take rest during a recording, screen recording or webcam recording. Once now you can start here. You see now it has started. From here you can stop. See now I am stopping here. Now it's saved in our path. Actually I have assigned the path. Here I will just close, and I will come here. I have ShareX is here, and here you come here inside, and this is a screenshot. You will find this in screenshot here. You see I have this just recorded here, and we can see the quality from here. You see now it has started recording. You see OBS Studio here, Samsung Magician. I am trying this ShareX screen recorder, one of the best open source free screen recorder you can use. Really it's the best screen recorder. You see it's the quality because it used my NVIDIA video graphic card encoder. It has provided me the best quality here. And here you see pause. Now it has started. From here you can stop. It's actually one of the best screen recorder, and if you want to use several things you can do here. Once I come here, I just forgot to told you that if you come here, there are several settings. When we come here, application setting, you can use show tray icon, minimize. If you want to minimize in the tray, you can click here, and on the tray icon left. These are the several settings which you can use. Update channels, install build, you can install from here, and because there are lots of things you can do, so we will learn one by one. In this you can actually path. You can assign the path which I have assigned in ShareX. I have here folder I have made, and you can make a folder, and from here you can assign the path anywhere. You can make folder because I have in this in desktop ShareX record, and here from here you can assign from here anywhere, because if I want for OBS screen recorder I can assign here. I don't want cancel because I have already assigned. For demo purposes I am showing you here. From settings you come here, and export settings you can change. These are the advanced settings. If once you learn, you will try everything you can do. In the next class we will learn more about in detail in ShareX. Today showed you how you can use ShareX, and the one of the best screen recorder. Dear friend, if it's helpful, please subscribe the channels, like, comment, and you can join about a tutorial about Kdenlive and DaVinci Resolve. Any video editing software you want to learn, you can join our class. I will put that in the description. Hello dear friend, we have just finished the class. We learned how to take a screenshot, how to record our screen. We will put these 2 classes and 3 classes about ShareX in the screen, or we will put the whole playlist in our description box. You can go and you can see and you can learn and write your comments, suggestions. If you have any problem, you can write. I will try to help you, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation to make more creative video. Write, comment, share this tutorial to those friends who are actually need of such type of tutorials. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.